Yes, students, welcome back to our next class. In this class, we learn our science work. Unit number 2, topic is health and hygiene. In our previous lecture, we done science unit number 2, part C. Now we start part D. First, I write the first question of part D. Question number 1 is, what is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? This question, we tell the answer of what is balanced diet. Before adding the answer of this question, students, I share a pic with you. Students, look at this picture, all the students. This is a picture of balanced diet. In first groups, students, don't make drawing on this. Students, don't make drawings. Amna Noor, don't do that. Students, don't do that. Students, this is a picture of balanced diet. In this diet, the first group is fats, oil, and sweets. We use this. We use the fats, oil, and sweets also in our diets in a proper way. And the second one is meat, alternative groups, and meat, fish, eggs, meat, fish, and eggs, and many other things that are made from this. Now look at this pic. This is a picture of balanced diet. First group is fats, oil, and sweets. And the second group is meat and alternative groups. In this group, we see the things that are just like fish, eggs, and the other things that are made from chicken, meat, and beef. The third group is milk group, milk foods. Nurul Huda, don't do that. The third is milk group, the foods that are made from milk. Student, in these pictures, I hope all the students understand about balanced diet. Now I write the answer of this question. Then I explain this. First, all the students open your science C-work copies. Ready your copies. Write unit number 2. Topic is health and hygiene. Today we start our part D. Make a heading of part D. Question number 1. What is a balanced diet? Balanced diet क्या होती है? Now I write the answer of this question. First, all the students write the answer of this question. Then I explain. A diet that includes all the nutrients. A diet that includes all the nutrients in their right in their right proportion. In their right proportion is called a balanced diet. Balanced diet. Now I explain the answer of this question. Students, if you look at your books, as the pictures I have been shown you in your screens, the diagram that I have been shared with you is their diagrams. A diet वो खुराक that includes जिसमें शामिल होते हैं all the nutrients, तमाम मादनियात that are helpful for our body in their right proportion, एक मुनासिब मिकदार में, is called a balanced diet. मुतवाज़न ग़िज़ा या मुनासिब खुराक कहलाती है. The food we eat in our daily lives, it contains all the right things, just as fruits, vegetables, milk and made of milk products, bread, meat, fish, eggs, and all the things that are helpful for our body, we should include in our diet in a right proportion, so that our body get proper energy and we grow and we are able to do different kinds of work. Is it clear? I hope all the students understand this question and also note down this. Students, now I write the next question. After completing this work, I will check your copies. When you write this question on your copies, you also draw a diagram of balanced diet that have been made in your book on page 13. This diagram I share a screen with you. I see you this diagram. All the students also draw this diagram on your copies with this question. Is it clear? Now I write the next question. Now we start doing our question number 2. of part D. Question number 2 of part D is how does milk food group help us? How does milk food group help us? In this question, we write the things that are made from milk, how these things help us to grow our body, and how the things that are made from milk are helpful for our body. I also draw diagrams of some that are made from milk. This is milk box. And this is the box that contains cream. Cream is also made from milk. And this is cheese. That is made from milk. Right? Now next one is curd or custard that are also made from milk. All these things are made from milk. How these things that are made from milk helpful for our body? Now I write the answer of this question. Milk group provides calcium. Milk group provides calcium that help to build strong bonds and teeth. I hope all the students note down these questions. They also provide other nutrients like proteins, and vitamins. Okay, student, again I revise the answer of this question. How does milk food group help us? All these things are made from milk. How these things are helpful for our body? Milk group provides calcium. दूध या दूध से बनी चीजें हमें कैल्शियम देती हैं. that help to build strong bones, जिससे हमारी हड्डियां मजबूत होती हैं, and teeth, और हमारे दांत मजबूत होते हैं. They also provide other nutrients like proteins and vitamins. दूध या दूध से बनी चीजों से, milk and milk group foods also provide proteins and vitamins that are helpful for our body. Milk and the things that are made from milk make our body strong and our teeth strong. Is it clear? I hope all the students note down these. Now come to the next question. I raise the first question. Next question is question number 3.